Hi there, my name is Ashley Koenig and I'm a student at Housatonic Community College. My banner ID is 016-23540 and I have not collaborated with any other person on this assignment. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the correlation coefficient for a set of data on StatCrunch, as well as how to create a scatter plot for my variables of age and GPA for my set of data. Okay, so I am now going to begin by showing you how to create a scatter plot for age and GPA. So I'm going to do that by heading over and selecting Graph. I'm going to select Scatter Plot. So for here, for my X variable, I'm going to select age, which is my independent variable. And then for my Y variable, I'm going to select overall GPA, which is my dependent variable. I'm going to select Compute. And then here is my scatter plot. So as you can see here, the higher the age of the student, the more likely they are to typically have a higher GPA. Whereas if you look at, younger students, they're kind of all over the board. And you're looking at students that might be more full-time students, less part-time, or returning students. I'm now going to show you how to calculate your correlation coefficient. So we're going to do that by going over here to Stat, selecting Regression, selecting Simple Linear. Once again, I'm going to select age for my X variable, and I'm going to select GPA for my Y variable. I'm going to select Compute. And then right here on this page, you can see the correlation coefficient listed right there. And for this set of data, it's 0.24. Okay. So I'm now going to show you how to predict the GPA for a 30-year-old student. So I'm going to go right back into Stat over here, Regression, Simple Linear. My X variable, again, is going to be age, and my Y is going to be overall GPA. And then I'm going to head down, and I'm going to look at prediction of Y. So for my X value, otherwise known as my age, I'm going to type in the number 30. And then I'm going to select Compute. I'm going to open this up. And here for the overall GPA, the age, actually no, down here on the predicted values, for the X value, the predicted Y is a GPA of 2.84. And also, just for your information, the correlation coefficient is known as the number that is between -1 and 1 that represents the linear dependence of two different variables.